Hello, my lovely, lovely, lovely people. You are welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to share one of my favorite recipes on keto with you, and this is pure vegan. And so, we're going to have some pumpkin in butter. So, the white man will say pumpkin porridge. Yes, so that's what you're going to have, and it's one of my favorites. Just make sure that the pumpkin you are using is very sweet, the very grown one, very sweet, and you will enjoy every bit of it. Give this vegan keto diet a try and you will not regret. It will become one of your favorites. And so I have some tomatoes, pepper, ginger, garlic, and onion, and I'm going to boil all these together. I already have my water on fire, and so I'll just boil them very well. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to blend them so it's well cooked. So I'm going to allow it to cool down, and I've blended them. So I'm pouring them, or I just pour them into my saucepan. This one is local, you don't need to strain it. And we are adding our pumpkins, our chopped pumpkins to it. I said you should give this a try. You will not regret at all, at all, at all. You will come back and thank me for this pumpkin and butter recipe or pumpkin porridge recipe. You will love every bit of it. You're adding a bit of salt to it, that is half a teaspoon of sea salt. We'll add some black and white pepper and all pepper seasoning. Each is half a teaspoon of each. We'll do this is a quarter teaspoon. So the black pepper and the white pepper were quarter teaspoons, but the all pepper seasoning was a half a teaspoon. Okay, and so mix everything or stir it together. Add a bit of water to it, but don't make it too liquid. So add a little bit of water to it, but make sure it doesn't become too liquid because pumpkin doesn't take long to cook. It doesn't take long to cook. So if your water is too much, you mess up your porridge or your poto. Okay, and so we'll cover and allow it to cook very well. Okay, so you see, well cooked, and the flavor, oh my goodness, it smells so great. And so when you are stirring, make sure you don't stir it in a way that you stir or you mash everything. We just poured our red oil in a saucepan, adding some onions to it. Then we'll stir fry this for about 1 to 2 minutes, and that'll be okay. The oil I later reduced. I later poured some because it was too much for me. It was too much. Okay, so this is it. Just stir it or let it be on fire for about 1 to 2 minutes, maximum 3 minutes. That is okay. And so what you are going to do is we are going to pour it on our pumpkin porridge on fire. So we just pour everything, add it to it, and stir it gently so that you don't mash the pumpkins. You know, pumpkins, they are very tender, especially when cooked, very tender. And so just stir it gently so you don't mash. You know, in Ghana, our important butter, or let's say our cocoyam porridge, our yam sweet potato porridges, we don't make them smooth. We always leave some of the food in it so that we can chew it. Yes, and so you don't need to stir it in a way that will mash the pumpkins. You need some of the pumpkins in them, like abi you get me, yeah, abi you bab, yeah. And so this is it, our pumpkin in butter. You will love every bit of it. It tastes so great. I mean, this was awesome. Make sure that the red oil that you use smells good, has a very good taste like zomi, and you will enjoy. And make sure that you get a pepper with some nice, those peppers with nice flavors. Yes, and use them and you enjoy it. And so this is it. Give this a try and you will not regret at all. Every bit of it tastes so great. And yes, on keto diet, we don't take in a lot of onions. So yes, some of the onions, they are just for garnishing purpose. You get it? Yes, just to add some style to the food. Yes, so this is our pumpkin porridge or pumpkin in potam. Very simple, easy to prepare, and the taste is heavenly. Give this a try and you will not regret. And this is vegan. And so if you're not a vegetarian, then you can add some proteins to it. But hey, we are going vegan. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Like, comment, and share this video. And watch out for another sumptuous, awesome vegan recipe. Bye bye.